Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel today. Thanks so much for watching. I wanted to share with you a Dollar Tree haul, and this Dollar Tree haul has Christmas items and some items that I needed for the home. We may go to Dollar Tree today, a larger one, to see what they have far as Christmas items that they picked out. And you guys know that it's best to go or to pick it up early because it gets gone. I know Halloween hasn't even gotten here yet, but that's just how it goes. So I was watching a few hauls that just came up. I was watching the Happy Planner stuff and they just popped up, and I was like, oh, you know, my mind wasn't even trying to even think about Christmas stuff as far as Dollar Tree yet. And I was like, well, let me check out my local one. And they had some items that were super cute. Let me share. Okay guys, so I really kind of don't know what my theme is, but it'll probably be the same like last year. Maybe change up the ribbon and so forth, so it won't be super expensive with switching out things. So it's probably going to be like the I won't say farmhouse, but like the rustic, or like the little red truck, or just red and green, the traditional colors. So I did see these picks and I thought they looked really good for it to be Dollar Tree. And they had the apples and the berries, and I don't remember how many I picked up. I think all that they had left. Someone already beat me to the punch, but these look really nice. This just needs to be turned around. This was the only one that I found that has the little faux snow on it, frosted tip, some of the frosted tips. So hopefully I can find some more of these. That was the only one. That's probably all the ones that they grabbed. And then this one is one that looks a little different. This one here with the poinsettias, the miniature poinsettias. So I think these look really nice, guys, to be Dollar Tree. That looks like that's coming out, but I can stick it back in there with a little pine cone. Okay guys, I also picked up some ornaments, and these are some of the ornaments that I picked up that I thought that were super cute, especially this one with the buffalo check owl, and super cute. Of course it has an excess of hot glue there. You can just pull some of it off, but I think Mama got some, I got some, and so we might have taken all that they had at that time. I'm not sure, I don't remember. I think it might have been a couple of them left. I also saw these little sleighs, and they also have them in silver. I'll show in 1 second. I thought these were really nice for, I can see this sitting on a place setting or on your tablescape or some decor. And these, they had quite many of these. So I think I only picked up 4 of these and 2 of the silver. And then also they had these little books, and I thought these were really nice. So they also had these in gold, and they also had these in like a bronzy color, or it was like a mixed gold, like silver and gold. And then of course they had again the gold and silver. This year looked like they had a combination of both. I don't think they had that before, or the ornaments that look like it has the mirrored effect. And then also they had the angel wings, which I really like those last year. Then also these little owls here. These are super adorable. Really cute. So whoever was thinking they did this little DIY, and it's like a styrofoam. Really nice. And then these little red trucks here that say Merry Christmas. They had these last year, and I think they went really quickly. I don't think I got any, but looks like that Christmas on the H is coming off. But Big Lots has a ornament similar to this. You get 6 in a pack, or 5 for $6. So this weekend they have that 20% off, and I was thinking maybe I should have got it from Big Lots because it would have been cheaper that way and a little bit better quality. But I went to Dollar Tree first, and yeah. So all the berries seem like they are on here intact, so these are fine. These might be all that I pick up, but I'm not sure. I also picked up this owl here, And I don't know, it was something about the backing of it that, I don't know. She was cute, but I know I was watching a YouTuber and she said she looked like she was the mama owl, and she definitely does, but I only picked up I think 1 or 2 of her, but I really like the one that has like the solid front and back with just a little bit of the burlap on the side. I think that one is super cute. Okay, then here is the silver one with the little sleigh. The silver sleigh. And then this one here. So someone beat me to the black top hats, but they had a lot of these checkered, the plaid ones. And I think I picked up some of these last year. I don't quite remember, but I just grabbed a couple. Just, I think 4 of those. And then lastly, far as Christmas, I picked up these rose gold. They almost look, well, the other ones look more gold ornaments, but they're rose gold. And they have the large ones here. Yeah, these look more gold. Now they look like rose gold, but I guess these right here, yesterday in the store, they looked like they were gold. But I probably should have got another pack of these, and I got 2 of the little packs. I actually thought it was Mama's, and I just went ahead and kept it. And then next, I don't know, guys, if it's just me, excuse me, or if it is your Dollar Trees too, but I cannot find the dish rags anymore. All they have is those microfiber scrubby side dishcloths, and I don't really like those too well. So they don't have like the ones like the fabric ones. So Mom and I did pick up some more of the bar mop. Or not pick up some more. This is the first time we picked them up. The bar mop towels, and I picked up 3 of these. These are a little shorter than the microfiber. We were saying that that particular microfiber or that one, we don't like the feel of it. So I like these, and they look like they, hopefully they'll wash well. I also got some of these zipper Good Scent zipper seals, and this is the 12 bags. This is not a bonus pack either. I was just grabbing. Sometimes they have the bonus ones, and this one has 18, and I picked up 2 of those. So I said I wanted some goldfish, so I picked him up some goldfish. He loves those. And then for JJ, I've been meaning to pick up some of the personal care for men quick dry. Antiperspirant deodorant, like if he needs to freshen up, he can throw it in his bag. For maybe not take this to school, I guess he could, but mainly for maybe after his football game or something like that. Excuse you. I also picked up some of these plackers, Gentle Slide, and these are for tight space. So I'm glad Dollar Tree does carry this now on a regular, because my teeth are really tightly together to where I had to use a water pick before at times. So I don't know if I said that before in another video. So I like those. Jason likes them because they're tougher, and I was like, leave mine alone and you use whatever you was using or whatever I bought for you. But anyway, so I also picked up some nail brushes for JJ. I saw his little fingers. So I got on JJ, I saw his fingernails, and I said, are you washing your hands? Are you washing your nails? And so forth. And he was like, yeah, I just washed them. And I said, well, one thing that girls pay attention to, even though I don't want them to be thinking about any girls, but that's just real life. And I said, you have to keep your nails clean. And it was another item that I showed in 1 second that I said, you have to keep your nails clean and so forth. So I got him this so he can have this in the bathroom, and they had it in his favorite color so he can, of course, clean his nails. Also, I saw that they finally got these back. I haven't seen these in a while. The Almonds Hickory Smoke, and I really like these, and I'm probably about to open those. And then they had this Reynolds Wrap full sheets pop up, and they're 25 sheets. And actually the Dollar Tree brand, there are 30 sheets, and the box is actually thinner because Mama was saying that it probably was easier for her to store the other one in her drawer versus this, but we did look at the dimensions of the sheets, and I believe they were the exact same size. So but you get 5 lists. So we did pick up 2 of those. They did have like stacks of boxes at the end of the aisle, so I think they have those, and maybe until they run out, or they're getting them because it's Thanksgiving coming soon. I'm not sure. And lastly, guys, I picked up a shower brush or bath brush, and my brother said that these were not I guess it depends on what you're using them for. And I got this for JJ. I also picked up a smaller circle one, but I don't know where it is. Oh, it's over on the floor. I get it. And then so he was like, I know I have a really nice one that I got from like a spa me and Jason went to, and he was saying that I needed probably to get a better one from Walmart, because I got this to help JJ scrub his neck, and I told him that that was another thing that girls look at to see, you know, like ring around the collar and stuff like that. Not necessarily look, but if they see it, then they're like possibly turned off or whatever. Even though he's young, you don't need to, he's 13. But I just, you know, with boys, you have to make sure that they stay on top of their hygiene, especially until they really get into that. Because you guys know, especially if you have boys. Okay, so I did pick him up that. My brother said that I picked it up anyway, but he was saying he probably needs a better one. He's even got one for his daughter. So here's the little small one, and they come in clear, blue, and I think pink. And so Mama did pick up one too, and she did text me this morning. She said that she wasn't too impressed with it, but she did like the sponges. And I didn't see quite what sponge that she got, but I did see some sponges. I think she's talking about like the tan sponges. So yeah, I did learn from the spa that you're not supposed to put harsh stuff on your skin, especially your face. But sometimes you might need like something like this to maybe really scrub, especially if you're working with paint or something like that. But I haven't tried it yet myself, and it's hard to tell how it feels because they have the cover on it, and then they have this plastic on top of this one. But again, yeah, they were saying that you're not supposed to use even the Clarisonics on your face, and I was like, oh really? So I guess it's just up to you. I still use my Clarisonic anyway. But guys, thanks so much for watching this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out what your Christmas items that are coming out so you won't miss out on all the good ones. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.